Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Lex. Okay, so this spring thrift haul is going to consist of items that I am going to be flipping. And I figured a ton of us are going to have a lot of extra time on our hands. So what better time to do some thrift flips? I believe I'm going to flip all the items other than like two. And I'm going to show you how to like tuck or style one of the items to where you don't have to like ruin it by cutting it. So all of these flips are going to be super easy, probably less than 10 minutes. It didn't take me no time at all to make these, which is crazy because it's taken me so long to record this video. But yes, so if you don't know, Pinterest is one of my favorite social media apps, even though I don't follow anyone that I know in real life on there outside of my sister. I just feel like you can get all the inspiration and motivation for like fashion, lifestyle, and beauty on there without all the, toxic things that come with social media. I noticed on Pinterest that I was repinning a lot of the same style of outfits. They were elevated basic tops with denim. All these damn cars. I was repinning or uploading some of the same style of outfits, the elevated basic when it comes to tops, and a certain style of denim that I did not have in my collection. With the elevated basic tops that I was repinning, I felt like I could recreate them using dry fit tops. So I grabbed two of those and I grabbed a pair of Levi's from the men's section at Southern Thrift to flip those into the style of jeans that I was looking for. So the first style of top that I was looking to recreate was a one-shoulder white top. And I felt like this would be super easy to recreate. The only problem that I felt like I would run into would be the material of these shirts. So in order for this shirt to work logically for me, I felt like it needed to be a fabric that was tight and snug. So I went for a dry fit kids top. So the top that I picked out was a long sleeve white dry fit top, and I got it from the kids section, and it was just $1 and some change. So less than $2 for this top. And here's what the top that I made looks like. Absolutely perfect. All right, you guys, so onto the process of making this one shoulder top. So I start off with just washing the top, throwing it in the dryer, and then boom, it's done. So you're gonna start off with laying your shirt down flat. And if you have a one shoulder top, I would definitely use that. I didn't, so instead I took a tank top that would resemble just like a one shoulder tank top, and I folded the left strap to resemble a one shoulder top. I basically created a one shoulder top with the tank. And what I'm gonna do is cut the outline of the one shoulder tank that I made. Super simple, super easy. This tank literally took me less than 2 minutes to make. And I'm not gonna crop it. I'm just gonna leave it as is because it's a kid's fit and it fits perfect. The outcome of this shirt is absolute perfection. The material of this dry fit top is perfect to where I don't have to wear a bra with it, which was the goal. It pairs so perfect with the jeans I made. That was the outfit that I wanted. I was like, if I can thrift flip that outfit, I'm good. I'm just gonna go great with any style of denim that I choose to wear with. I can dress it up or down. I'm really excited that I thought of this. Remember guys, dry fit tops. I feel like you can definitely recreate a one shoulder top using like a regular cotton t-shirt, but I feel like the hold, it won't look sleek and seamless as a dry fit top. So the next top is also a dry fit top as well, but it's a black one, of course. We have a white top, we have to have a black one. Balance. I found this black dry fit top in the kids section at Goodwill. It was originally $3.99, but I got it for half off on half off day, which is the first Saturdays of the month in Nashville. I'm not sure if it's everywhere, but for sure Tennessee does it. So I got this top for $2, and it's just an extra large dry fit starter top, your basic. And the same thing goes with the material of this top as the white one. I knew this top and the material that it was made out of would be the perfect top to make a sleek, almost bodysuit-like, sleeveless, high neck, black top. So how I made this top was basically the same exact way that I made the white one. I took a Zara top that resembled the style that I was going for and simply traced along the white top to match the black one, leveled everything up well. Was super easy to do, less than 2 minutes once again. And I did not crop this top because I like the way it fits. It resembles a bodysuit to me. I could wear this top with some black leggings and it'll just look seamless. I have thrifted a couple of pair of black leggings that will go perfect with this top. This top with some mom jeans or some loose, relaxed boyfriend style jeans will look great. I'll be able to dress this top up or down once again. And then with it being springtime and it dry fit, it just works perfect. I don't have to worry about sweat marks, and I can wear these tops during the summertime too. And I don't mind the raw hem on these tops. Andrea's Choice years ago has taught us just to stretch it out and boom, you're fine. All right, you guys, so on to the pair of denim that I got. So I picked up a pair of Levi's from Southern Thrift and they were $5 and some change. So I'm just gonna round it up to $6. And they are the Relaxed Fit 550 jeans. Waist on these jeans were a 36 and the length was a 34. If you are tall or if you have long legs, I would definitely suggest finding these style of jeans. And the style I was looking for was a boot cut, long, something that I could wear heels with. I feel like a lot of the relaxed denim that I find at thrift stores kind of hit cropped on me, which is fine because that style is timeless to me and it's trending right now too. But for this specific pair of pants that I wanted to recreate, I needed some long ones. So I headed to all the men's sections in the thrift store and I found the perfect pair. The only issue, and I feel like it's an issue that we all have, the waist was too big. So I resized them, and I've seen this method years ago. I want to say the first video I ever seen on it, that video is probably 5 years old. Never tried it out, but I've been seeing the method more and more and it works great. And plus I already had all the things that you needed to resize your jeans. So what you're gonna need is some scissors, an elastic band. I use needle and thread, and I use hair needle and thread too. I did not feel like going to Dollar Tree to pick up actual fabric needle and thread. And also in a lot of the videos that I watched to refresh my mind on this method, they used hair needle and thread. I guess none of us felt like going and getting, fabric needle and thread does the same thing. I also used that eyebrow razor to like cut into the denim, you'll see. But you can honestly use scissors if you can actually cut into your denim. So yes, so the method for taking in the waist is super easy and simple, probably because it already exists in jeans. You've probably seen a ton of denim that has actual stretch in the back, and that's basically what we're doing. All right, so the first thing I did was went ahead and washed and dried the denim. Next, I needed to try them on to see how much I wanted to take in on the waist, and also I need to draw a line where I wanted my cutouts in the knee section. So after that was done, I went ahead and laid the jeans out flat and got to work on the waist. So the waistband on jeans is normally 2 pieces sewed together, so there's space in between. So what you're going to do is cut 2 small slits big enough for the elastic to go in. Now as far as how much space to put in between the two, I gauged it off my waist, so I put about 8 inches in between the 2 slits. So after the 2 slits were made, I went ahead and kind of worked that razor through the jeans to make sure that the actual Relaxed Fit 550 jeans tag wasn't sewn through, because that will actually stop you from feeding the elastic band through. So make sure your tag isn't like sewn all the way through to the back. And if it's not, you're good to go. If it is, you want to take something, I would take like a razor and remove the tag to where you don't have anything preventing you from sliding the band through. All right, so you want to measure the elastic that you're going to feed through longer than the slits that you made. So my elastic is around 10 to 12 inches. And at the end that I'm going to feed it through, I'm going to attach a safety pin to help me feed that elastic on through the band. So once the elastic is through, I tried the jeans back on and basically determined how much I wanted to pull. And I pulled how much I wanted and sewed the ends. Super simple, super easy. This method of taking in the waist works perfect with mom jeans or boyfriend style jeans or relaxed denim. I haven't seen too many people use this method with skinny jeans, but I'm sure it'll work with that. And I feel like this method works great for denim that is too big on the waist, that can be fixed with belts, but you don't always want to wear a belt, really, if you don't have to wear a belt. Now for the knees were super simple. I took that eyebrow razor. I remember years back when me and my friends were into thrifting, like at the end of high school and early college, we used to use those razors to de-stress denim all the time. So I knew that razor would be great to start off with some de-stressing. So I used that razor to distress a little bit, and then I just take some scissors, find a little slit in the line already made, cut it. And the distress style that I wanted was the flap, so I cut it to where it's a flap, and I did this on both sides and it turned out absolutely perfect, great. I am so excited because I have so many tops that I plan on wearing with these jeans. The one shoulder top is going to look absolutely great. That was the look, got the look, so I'm happy about that. But the black top tucked into these denim, perfect. The straight boot cut, whatever cut of denim these are, fit great with heels, but it also looks great with flats. These are about to get worn out, let me tell you, worn out. The next flip that I'm sharing with you guys is coming from this beautiful pink velour set that I found at Goodwill. So this set was originally $12.99, and I want to say that's what all the, like, velour sets or suit sets cost at Goodwill, but I got it for half off day. Once again, do all your shopping that day. It's in a size large. It's giving all sorts of Juicy Couture vibes, early 2000 vibes, Paris Hilton vibes. I just am absolutely in love with this set. The only problem with this set, and it's the reason why it's getting flipped, is the bottoms. The bottoms on these pants are high waters. They are floating. It looks like at one point they were cinched, but now they're just stretched out and there's no cinching at all. I thought about re-cinching the bottoms, but I think the crop would still be a little too high for my liking, and plus that just seems like a lot of work. And with it being spring and summer next, I was like, no, let's do a velour tracksuit but with shorts. And I actually have a little velour short set, and it's in like a baby blue. Super cute. It just gives you all early 2000 vibes, everything that you need. This thrift flip was super easy. All I did was measure where I wanted my shorts to fall, and I put a safety pin in about an inch below that mark to give myself some space to actually roll the bottoms. So I'm just going to roll the bottoms and iron them. I could use some like fabric fusion glue. I just don't feel like doing that right now. I might do that in the future, but right now, me just folding the bottoms and ironing it does a great job. I left the jacket as is. It fits great, the perfect amount of slouch. Super relaxed. Definitely be a set that I'll be lounging in. Probably style it with some Air Force Ones, give you that real early 2000s vibe. I'm super excited that I found this. I've seen more velour sets at Goodwill too. They have a purple one, a green one. I'm just waiting on, you know, half off day, and I'm gonna make it do what it do. Alright guys, and the last clothing piece that I picked up, I'm actually not going to like flip it at all. I'm just gonna show you ways to tuck it because it is perfect, and I feel like pieces that are just really solid, nothing's wrong with them, no stains or anything like that, you might not want to cut into it because you may regret it later on. It's happened to me before. So I found this top at Goodwill, and it was $4.99 originally, but the color of the day was actually orange. So I got it for half off. It's by a brand called The Talk Shop, and it's just this beautiful turtleneck sleeveless top. Oh my gosh, when I seen this top, I said this is gonna go great with the denim that I'm gonna make. I definitely gravitate towards earth tones and neutrals, but every once in a while a bright color will pop out to me and I'll just be drawn to it, and this top definitely called out to me. So instead of cutting this, because I definitely wanted to fit more cropped, I'm just gonna tuck it. So if you guys have a top in mind and you want the fit to be more cropped but it still looks great long, it's just not the style that you're going for at the moment, tuck it instead of cropping it so you can still use that shirt later on in life when you don't want a crop top. That method is not new, but I kind of use that same method when it comes to sleeves on top. So this top kind of hits at the end of my shoulders, and I wanted to, you know, come in a little bit more. Instead of cutting that top to resemble the look that I'm going for, I'm just going to use my bra straps and tuck the sleeves, and it works out great. So with tucking the sleeves, it's the same thing. It just gives you the option to have a more modest shirt or, you know, crop it in a little bit. Glad that I found this top for $2. It's going to be a great transitional piece. Alright you guys, and the last two items I want to share with you guys in this haul are some accessory pieces. So I found this beautiful little purse that's the perfect little bag to make into a belt bag, or even like a little cute bag that you wear around your body, because I know that's trending right now too. Here is the bag, you guys, and I found this bag at Music City Thrift, and it was $4.98. That was the price, and it comes with a little chain. The chain is a little bit rusted, so instead of using the chain on that bag, I decided I was just going to tuck it in, and then shortly after that I found the perfect belt to make this into a belt bag. I found this belt at Goodwill for $2.99, and it's a gold chain belt that has like a leather black strip intertwined in it. It's literally perfection. So I thought about maybe sewing something on the back of this and, you know, looping belts through, but then I realized that a lot of styles of belt purses, they look like they have the strap like right here, and this truly works great. Like, you don't have to worry about this going anywhere because it's connected to your waist. So if you find a little wallet bag like this or a little purse like this, definitely think about turning it into a belt bag. Thrift you a little belt, and boom, you have a cute little belt bag that truly looks expensive. I'm super excited that I found this because I don't have a black belt bag. So yeah, so that is it for this spring thrift flip haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you were one of those people who is looking for a distraction, I hope this was a positive one for you. I hope you and your loved ones are safe. Let me know down below what was your favorite item that I flipped. Are you planning on flipping anything anytime soon? Maybe in your wardrobe that's just old and tired, or do you plan on going out to the thrift store and finding something to flip? Definitely let me know down below because I'm inspired by you guys too. As always, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.